Hello, welcome. My name is Oscar. I have a vision. I have a dream. Will you help me?
Um. Well. Sure, why not?
Yeah, I guess.
That is great, thank you for helping me. My dream, my vision is that I would like to invent the internet. Please let me know when it is complete.
He wants us to invent the internet for him. What the heck?
Perhaps we should tell him the internet has already been built?
And get fired? No. We must consult the Oracle.
But the Oracle could turn us into scrap metal. Where is he? Shouldn't he be here? Where is the Oracle?
Who dares interrupt me?
Our apologies, Mr. East, the great product Oracle. We require your assistance. My name is Sprocket, I'm infrastructure specialist whom works for Oscar.
And I'm Ratchet, a developer whom also works for Oscar. Oscar has asked us to invent the internet. We do not understand. Can you help us, Mr. East, the great product Oracle?
Oscar wishes to invent the internet. That is difficult, but can be achieved. There are only two ways to invent the internet. First way, be born with the name Al Gore. Second way, travel back in time. Thus I must conclude that Oscar wishes you to invent a time machine.
That is awesome, I've always wanted to support a time machine.
That is really super. I've always wanted to develop a time machine. We must hurry, we have little time.
Leave me now, I have much to contemplate.
This is great. This is going to be really great.
How should we start?
We will need a vehicle suitable for time travel.
Agreed. How about a Jetty 5000?
Great choice. It is agile and has all the features I will need. I will need to build a new engine. We will require more power.
Will you build a warp field?
No, a warp field will not generate enough power.
Warp fields generate sufficient power for this project and are a proven stable technology.
We require additional power for future growth. I will need to build a flux capacitor.
Flux capacitors are known to be unstable and unreliable.
The business requires that we build this.
Very well, let's begin. I will prepare the Jetty 5000 for your flux capacitor. This is great, time travel is going to be awesome.
The flux capacitor is ready.
Excellent, the Jetty 5000 is also ready. Have you tested your flux capacitor in your development environment?
My development environment is currently offline.
Oh dear, how will we know it will work?
My personal desktop is an exact replica of your production environment. There is no need to test it in a development environment first.
Very well then, let's begin our testing. I will require a change order to install your flux capacitor into the test environment. Have you completed that?
Yes, I will send you the Jira ticket immediately.
I do not understand Jira, I only speak Service Desk. You will need to complete your documentation in Service Desk.
I have already completed the work in Jira. Jira is an industry standard. I wish to use Jira.
Service Desk is also an industry standard. You will need to use Service Desk.
Stop the insanity.
Time travel is going to be awesome. I do not understand why the flux capacitor is not working. Oh dear. Oh crap. That wasn't me, it must have been the network. The flux capacitor did not work. It has crashed.
What error message did you get?
I'm unable to share with you that information. Our security policy says that you are not authorized for that level of information.
How will I be able to assist you without any information?
You will need to try the capacitor in your development environment. I will supply you with a problem ticket. ITEL says you will then be able to resolve the issue.
Without any information?
ITEL says you must solve the problem if I create the ticket.
Very well, let's proceed. I have corrected a bug. The flux capacitor is ready for further testing.
Awesome. It worked. The testing was successful. The time machine is ready for production piloting.
That is great.
I have not yet received the safety features installation requirements yet. Are they completed?
Safety features.
Yes, safety features.
There were no business requirements for safety features.
Everyone knows that a flux capacitor is highly unstable, therefore industry best practice indicates we have safety features. What if we run into Klingons while traveling through time? We will need a force field.
There were no business requirements for a force field. There is no time left to build a force field. I will need to consult the project sponsor as to whether we can accommodate this scope change. The business sponsor has not approved your project scope change.
What will happen to me if things go wrong while time traveling then? I will surely die.
The business indicates that is an acceptable loss. I'm sorry.
May I at least have a seat belt?
I'm sorry, there is no time left for your safety features. I believe there is some string in the office supply room. Perhaps you can create your own seat belt from that.
Please remember to be kind to your member direct operations team.
Please remember to be kind to your development team.
Any likeness or similarities to actual events, people, places, or entities, and any such likeness or similarities are unintentional and purely coincidental.